Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. All right, so here are some of my colors today. I just wanted to show you. This is when I'm making up my paints. I usually do them in batches. Don't know if I'll be using all of these colors today, but as you can see, I wanted to do some metallics and some earth tones. So let's start over here real quick. This is a gold. Now all my paints are really fluid. This is the Pearl Cell recipe, which will be down in my description box. I have this Dorado Gold, and these are the Chroma Molten Metals. I mixed that with the other Chroma Molten Metal, which is gold, Xanadu. So that's this one. Okay. Then I have this Rust-Oleum metallic, and this is metallic copper penny. Ooh, what a pretty color. Okay. Then I have some nickel azo gold, golden fluid. Okay. And these are the flow acrylics, so they're really thin. And then I have this one, and this was a mixture of Modern Masters, Glacier Blue, and my favorite, Golden Payne's Gray. So I mixed those two together to make this really pretty, like iridescent-y blue. All right, and then I have this Rust-Oleum metallic, and this one is, what is it? Bronze, metallic classic bronze. Okay, and then I have a Treasure Gold copper, pretty color. And then I mixed up some satin finish rose quartz Modern Masters. And then I have some Modern Masters black cherry, pretty color. And then I have some sapphire Modern Masters, and I mixed some Payne's Gray again into that. Pretty like sapphire blue. All right, and then I have a couple base paints over here, and this is a gray with some satin enamel in it, white satin enamel, and then I added some different like black and Payne's Gray to it to darken it. So I got this gray, and I also put an iridescent medium into that. And then I have my just plain white, and I am using the satin enamels by Deco Art today. All right, so I have my floetrol, my when you do the satin enamel, you put some Artist Loft flow acrylic in as well. So that's what I have here all on my table, and I don't know what I'm going to be using today, but let's get to it.
I saw her up on the hill, on her way to the mill, proud and all out. But where are you now? Misunderstood, said she would help the ones that she could. No glimpse of doubt. But where are you now? Years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top. We're finally home. Let me lend you a hand. Let me in on the plan. Together we're stronger. Don't wait any longer now. Years have passed and restless legs have settled. warned about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. Some obsess about things. Some turn use into abuse and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. You've been warned about me. You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see